Hello guys, and welcome back to this new video in our channel CRYPTOP. And in today's video we're gonna discover this powerful tool, Dolphin Anty Detect browser. So this browser will allow you to claim multiple airdrops multiple times, so you can maximize your earning from airdrops, and also you can use this browser for multiple purposes and for different businesses. So this help you to manage your profiles and try to organize your work the right way. So in this video I will show you all these details and how you can use Dolphin the right way for your site in your daily life. And before jumping into the video, try to put a like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
As you can see guys, this is Anty Detect browser for multi-accounting the best possible. As you can see here, so this browser allows you to manage any number of accounts for advertising platforms and social networks, web scrolling, marketing, affiliates, and more. But in today's video we're gonna see the side in crypto industry, because this tool will help you to protect your accounts, and also if you have any restriction in terms of country, or you have a blacklist IP, so you can use Dolphin to use multiple fingerprints and multiple IPs, so you can access the platforms that is restricted and you are really needing to use these platforms. And I show you how you can work with Dolphin the right way. So first of all, let's see and know what industries that this browser supports. So here we have the use cases of this browser. So we have affiliate marketing and media buying. So you can create ads for hundreds of Facebook accounts, Google or TikTok accounts, farm accounts, warm up and launch. So here in advertisement, we know that there are a lot of restrictions in terms of IP. So here you can manage your profiles the right way. So you can create multiple accounts for multiple profiles, and each profile enter a single account. So when your account will be restricted, you will not risk that you will lose all your account. So this is how it works. Also, you can use it in digital agency. If you are running an agency, so you can easily manage a large number of client accounts even on blocked social networks. This is amazing. Also, you can use it in e-commerce field, so you can scale your business in marketplaces. So you can have 4 accounts on Amazon, 3 on eBay, and 7 on Shopify. So you can create as many accounts as needed without facing any restriction problem, because we know that when you are using these marketplaces, you need to use just a single account with your identity. But here in the Dolphin case, you can use a lot of accounts with a lot of profiles without being detected, and this is the point. And for sure they have a great privacy system, so your data is safe in Dolphin hand. So let's move on and see another amazing utility. Here we have the synchronizer. So this synchronizer we're gonna discover in this video, because this is a game changer. So you can use this synchronizer to repeat actions across multiple profiles at the same time. So you can create a lot of profiles and do the same thing at the same time. So this is amazing. And also here you can check here the tags, so you can access to the accounts the easy way, and I will show you how. Also you can use the proxies, and also you can do mass actions. So this is amazing. Here also we have use and flexibly customize real fingerprints. You can also use your unique or customized fingerprints in your browser. So it's a super amazing. So you can create profiles in one click, manage fingerprints flexibly, and also you can use desktop and mobile fingerprints. So this is coming soon, and this is very amazing, and I will show you how you can customize these fingerprints in this video. Here also we have transfer and share browser profile with the team. So you can transfer and add your team members to the profiles, and also you can grant permission to your team members so they can help you in your work. So whenever you need them, you can grant them access, and also you can transfer the profiles. This is based on the work, and also you can transfer or work with your clients using Dolphin to organize your work. So this is a very professional, guys. And here also you can set up some automation. I will show you in this video how you can do it. And here we have other features. So let's jump into the topic of today is to claim the airdrops multiple times. And here we have some resources in a Dolphin blog. Over here in a blog section, we have resources from multiple industries, promotions, proxy, affiliate marketing, and here we have the case in cryptocurrency. So they have a lot of useful blogs that can help you get a lot of money and use anti-browser the right way for your site to get the maximum utilities or profits from this amazing browser. So here we have how to make money with crypto retro drops and airdrops. So when we join over here the blog, we have a lot of information and resources about airdrops. I know you all know the airdrops and what's the purpose and the idea of airdrops. So let's jump in here. We have some resources from where we can get airdrops. So we have airdrops.io, airdrop others, airdrop Bob. So this is the most famous airdrop launchpads over here in the market, and you can go through this, and I will show you in this video how you can manage your profiles and manage your work to get a lot of claims at the same time. So here we have airdrops.io. So from here we find the hottest airdrops in the market. So here, as you can see, we can use, for example, this airdrop and claim it over here in this browser. But first of all, let's jump into the pricing section and see what Dolphin offers and what's the prices. So as you can see here, we have some affordable plans over here. We have 4 plans. So we have the free plus plan, we have the base plan, and we have the team and enterprise plan. So this is the plans that they have, and also you can get a discount based on the duration that you will choose. And also I will give you a discount code that I will put in the description, so you can get a 20%, an additional 20% discount for your first payment. As you can see here, we have in the free plan, you can get up to 60 browser profiles. Here we have up to 100 browser profiles for the base plan, and for the team you can get up to 300 browser profiles, and this is my plan, current plan. And I highly recommend you guys to choose these plans based on the volume of work that you have, and maybe if you have a team of claiming airdrops and you are making a lot of money in this field, because I know a lot of people working as a team to claim airdrops and are making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, and this is something exceptional here. So this tool will help you guys efficiently to claim and do your job without being detected, and claim multiple times just using this browser. So now let's jump into the software over here. As you can see, so this is Dolphin software. From here guys, you can create a new profile. So So just you need to go over here, create profile. Then here we have all the settings that we need to set up. Here we have the profile name. For example, here in my case I will put claim 5. So claim 5 means that this is the fifth browser to claim the same airdrop. So you can use any browser to claim multiple projects airdrops, and you can create a new profiles to claim it again. So this is like a passive income. Here also you can choose the status of the project, of the profile, sorry. So here if you have created a new profile, you can choose here new profile. If you are already claiming the airdrops, you can put it ready, and if you have a ban access or something like this, you can choose the ban status. Here for example, let's choose a new one, and here you can create a category or tags. So this is to get a more organized view of your profile. So here you should create a tags. So in my case, I'm working on airdrops. I will choose airdrop over here, and maybe you can create another tag. For example, here let's see the name of the airdrop. For example, let's choose the name of the airdrop as a tag, and then as you can see, it's added. And here if you want to group a bunch of profiles in a folder, you can do this from here. And here as you can see, we have a profile type, so you can choose if it's for Facebook, Google, TikTok, or you can use it for crypto or maybe none. So this is to help you collect a more relevant cookies for the category of the profile of the category of your work, we can say. Here we have the search pages. So from here you can set up the home page or the first page that it will appear when you launch the browser. So here you can put a link and click add. So if you want to use this feature for sure, and if you want to use a proxy, here you can click new proxy, and here we have 4 types of proxies: HTTP, SOX4, SOX5, and SSH. So the best one, I think, in my case, and the most cheaper one is the SOX5 and maybe HTTP. So I use always in my work SOX5, and you can use your favorite one. And here we have the saved proxies, so you can put here a new proxies that you can use each time in your browser, so you can save it over here and use it when you need. And also here we have ASOX proxy import, so you can import your proxies over here. You can top up your balance, and you can get a lot of SOX over here to create an integration of ASOX into Dolphin, so you can use it when you need. Here also we have the advanced settings, and as you can see over here, you can go through here and choose the operating system. So you can choose Windows or Mac or Linux. So you can choose your favorite one here. For example, I will choose Windows 11, and here you can customize your information. For example, in hardware parameter, you can choose a more CPU or maybe more memory. So this is how it works. Or maybe you can go through the new fingerprint and click over here, and as you can see in WebGL info, it will be updated. And here as you can see in summary, you'll find all the infos that you need over here in terms of creation, so you can verify the settings and go through create profile, as you can see. But I think you should choose no proxy over here and then create the profile. As you can see, this is how it works and how you can create a profile. To launch this profile, just click start, and then as you can see, wait to the profile be created. As you can see here, so this is the profile, and here you can choose or enter, for example, to this airdrop, as you can see, and you can go through the steps to claim and do the task and claim your airdrop. It's very easy, guys, to follow these steps and get your airdrop, of course. As you can see here, you can do so, and when you finish, you can close and open the second one for another claim. Also, in the settings, if you want to edit something here, you can go through edits. For example, here I have a Turkey language in my browser because it's auto setup of the language, as you can see here, but I want to see in English. You can go through here and do any optimization by yourself. For example, here let's put English, as you can see, and then save. So when I will launch this again, I will find the language in English, as you can see over here, email images. So this is how it works. And also we have another useful tool over here is a filter. So you can filter this based on the user. For example, if you have a lot of users and you want to filter with users, also here we have the tags. For example, here in airdrops tag, I will click airdrops and it will top up all the airdrop or airdrops tag profiles. So this is, so you can manage more your profiles. And here, for example, if I have a ban account and I want to delete this account, I have already in status ban. Here also in ready, as you can see, I can delete and choose ready, as you can see, and also I can check new one, or maybe here I can filter with crypto. So this is all to manage more your profile and know how it works, so you can go the more organized way. Here also we have something to do. So for example, if I want to delete these two profiles at a time, here we have a bulk action. So here just select the whole of the profiles and then you can go through all these actions. So we have start profiles and you can stop the profiles, and here we have start synchronizer. So this allows you to do an action for the first profile or one time, and this action will be repeated in the other profiles. So this is like a time saver, guys. Here also we have add a folder, so you can add these profiles to a folder over here, and also you can do a script run for these profiles. You can do a tags. You can here change the status. Here also change a proxy. Sorry. Here also you can export cookies and download it, so you can use it in another profile. So as you can see, it's downloaded. Here also you can export local storage. You can transfer to your team member and you can remove these profiles. And here, as you can see in a script run, as you can see over here, you can create an automation, as we already see. So you can create two tabs that opens at the same time. When you click a start button, you can link this with the start, as you can see. And here you can choose the URL, and then you can go through multiple steps that you can do at the same time. So it's an automation that you can do. So this is a very amazing, guys. So as you can see here, we have a bunch of settings that you can discover also over here, and you can add users here. As you can see here, which will appear all the users. And if you want to add a user, as you can see here, in terms of users, I reached the maximum user, as you can see. So if you want to add a team member, you need to pay an extra money. As you can see here, it's lower in the base plan. So you can choose the favorite plan for your need, as you can see. So hope you enjoyed this review about this amazing browser that will help you efficiently organize your life. So this is a very amazing, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and see you in next one.